Selling put options on Wealthsimple involves using the Wealthsimple trade platform, which allows you to trade options, including puts. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up or log in. Access Wealthsimple. Visit the Wealthsimple website or open the Wealthsimple app. Log in. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the necessary verification steps. Enable options trading. Check eligibility. Ensure your account is set up for options trading. You might need to apply for options trading permissions if it's not already enabled. Research and select put options. Explore options. Navigate to the trade or options section of the app or website. Find the put option. Search for the stock or ETF on which you want to sell put options. Use the platform's tools to view available put options and their details. Place the order. Choose the put option. Select the specific put option contract you want to sell. Enter order details. Input the number of contracts and set the price at which you are willing to sell the put options. Review the details carefully. Confirm the order. Submit the order to sell the put options. Monitor your position. Track performance. After placing the order, monitor the performance of your sold put options through the Wealthsimple app or website. Manage expiry or assignment. Handle expiry. If the options expire, ensure you understand the implications. If assigned, be prepared to purchase the underlying stock at the strike price.